Welcome to the 7 in 7 Information channel. We're here to surprise you with fascinating facts. If you're ready, let's get started without wasting any time. 1. Do you know the quietest place in the world? This is the Anacoic Chamber at the Orfield Laboratory in Minnesota, USA. This room is so quiet that the sound level inside is -9 decibels. Yes, this means a sound too low for the human ear to detect. If you stay here for a while, you can even hear your own heartbeat and the blood flowing in your veins. But beware, the room is so quiet that people can only last a few minutes here. Because absolute silence puts a kind of pressure on the brain, which can lead to a feeling of imbalance. Isn't that interesting? Even silence can sometimes be very disturbing. 2. How long can a person withstand sleep deprivation? The answer to this question was found in 1964 by Randy Gardner, a high school student. Randy did not sleep for 11 days and 25 minutes, making it the longest recorded period of wakefulness. So what happened during this process? At first he only showed signs of fatigue, but after a few days he started to have memory problems, distraction, and hallucinations. In other words, his brain had officially rebelled. After the experiment, Randy recovered with a long sleep, but such a lack of sleep is extremely dangerous for health. Today, such a record attempt is banned for ethical and health reasons. So remember how precious sleep is. Now you can surprise your friends by sharing this information with them. 3. Do you know that there is an artificial language spoken by millions of people around the world? It is called Esperanto. It was invented in 1887 by a Polish doctor called Ludwig Zamenhof. The aim was to create a universal language that was easy to learn for everyone, so that people from different languages could communicate easily. Today, Esperanto is spoken by about 2 million people all over the world. There are even novels, poems, and songs written in this language. What's more, some people have adopted Esperanto so much that they teach it to their children as their mother tongue. Artificial but fascinating, isn't it? Maybe one day you will learn it too. 4. Imagine an animal whose heart beats outside its body. Yes, that animal is a shrimp. The shrimp's heart is not located in an ordinary place, but just above their head. In fact, shrimps don't have a brain in the classical sense. Instead, their nervous system and heart are located closer to the head. What's more, the blood of shrimps is blue, not red. This is because instead of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in humans, their blood contains hemocyanin, which contains copper. So shrimps are really interesting beings not only for their seafood, but also for their biological structure. 5. You think about how light ants are, don't you? What if I told you that the total weight of all ants in the world is equal to the total weight of humanity? Scientists estimate that there are about 20 quadrillion ants in the world. Yes, quadrillion. The total weight of these ants is about 12 million tons. That's almost the same as the total weight of all the people in the world. Ants may be too small to be noticed, but when you look at their numbers, you can see that they are a huge force on our planet. Who knows, maybe one day they will really take over the world. 6. Plants may seem harmless, but some of them can prey on animals, for example, the Venus flytrap. This plant has an amazing mechanism for hunting insects. Its leaves have delicate hairs on them. If an insect touches these hairs, the leaves close in seconds and the victim is trapped inside. The plant secretes special enzymes to digest the insect's body fluids and absorb nutrients. Interestingly, the Venus flytrap spends about 10 days to completely digest the insect, after which it is ready to hunt again. This plant is one of the most interesting members of animal-eating nature. 7. Have you ever wondered why people's cheeks turn red when they are embarrassed or excited? This is because of the hormone adrenaline. Adrenaline causes our body to dilate blood vessels to provide more oxygen and energy in times of stress. This dilation is especially evident in the capillaries in the facial area, which is why our cheeks turn red. Even more interestingly, this reflex is completely out of our control. So no matter how much you don't want to, Your body clearly shows the emotion you feel at that moment on your face. Another interesting detail is that, apart from humans, no other animal blushes when embarrassed. This is something that makes us really special. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love interesting facts. Let us know in the comments what amazed you the most, or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video. Stay curious.